How to fix corrupted game data detector error in Valorant. For this first step, you need to open up Riot client, click profile icon, click settings. This page will open. In this, you need to click the Valorant, scroll down, click repair and start repair, and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. After completing, it will throw up the message successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Search for command prompt, right click, click run as administrative, and type the following text: sfc space slash scan now. Click enter and wait for some time. It's actually verifying the files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having, means it will show here. There is no corrupted file. Exit it and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select Allow an app. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for Riot client. And Valorant. If it's not having, means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side and click browse. Go to C drive, Riot Games, you can get the application. Get the application, click add in the bottom side and click OK in the bottom side. After completing, go on with the next step. Open up this PC, make sure you have enough memory space, right click it, click properties, click tools and scan the drive. Close it, no error were found. Close it and restart your device. After restart, you can check it. If the problem still remains, then click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side, click uninstall, click yes and uninstall it. After uninstall, you need to restart your device, then open Riot client. It will asking for reinstall the Riot Vanguard. Freshly reinstall the Vanguard. Thank you.